Hey guys, welcome back to Romit Koshti. I'm your friend Sherwin. So guys, today we will see how delivering made Domino's Pizza 13 billion rupees just in a single year. So let's go. So guys, your last pizza probably came in a cardboard box like this or like this. Well, you should thank Domino's for this. This is just an example of the innovations Domino's not in pizza making but in delivery. Well, Domino's in India through their franchisee Jubilant Foodworks made 13.32 billion rupees in 2022, whereas Pizza Hut, which is owned by Devyani International Limited in India, made just 5.3 billion Indian rupees the same year. So that's basically more than double. Let's take a look at the history of Domino's. Here's a fun fact. Domino's was initially called Dominic's Pizza. The company opened a restaurant in 1960 in the US. This was the same year when Domino's entered the delivery business. The company made millions with their famous campaign in only 30 minutes. The people loved the idea of the pizza coming so early. Although they ended this campaign in 1993, they had cemented their place in delivery. It took the biggest portion of sales in the US in 2022. One of the strategies which Domino's uses is called fortressing, which in short means that there should be enough shops to accept your order in a certain radius. Number 2, ordering. In 2009, Domino's rolled out its advanced customized pizza making builder and the pizza tracker, which allowed customers to sneak into their pizza's process. Finally, delivery. Domino's has been a big inventor in this process. They looked upon the e-bikes, self-driving cars, which I talked in this video. You can click it on the I button right now. And then heating ovens inside the cars and even, guess it, it's helicopters. Yes guys, Domino's literally acquired helicopters for delivery. So guys, this was today. Hope you like it. Make sure to like and subscribe Romit Koshti for all these cool videos. Goodbye.